Simplify new employee onboarding by building a library of engaging content with ScreenPal. With ScreenPal, you can combine new recordings with existing content. To create effective onboarding videos for any audience. Use the video editor to add image and video overlays, rich text, and more. You can upload your finished videos to your ScreenPal hosting account, where you can apply ScreenPal AI to generate a video summary, captions, and chapters. Group videos using channels, which you can share with employees in different types of roles. You can add call to action buttons and annotation links to your videos to direct your viewers to additional resources. Transform any video into a quiz, poll, or survey to assess viewer understanding of your material and gather feedback. Employees can view your videos at their own pace to make learning more manageable, and return to your content whenever they like. Capture, create, and share with ScreenPal.